So you're a small channel drowning in a sea of content. You dream of the day when you can rise up, climb that mountain, and monetize your channel to the point where you can do this full time. You've even discovered this YouTube Shorts exploit that gets you more views than ever before. But there's some fine print that might tick you off. 6 months from now, you might discover that you've been putting a lot of effort into something that does more harm than good for your channel. Are YouTube Shorts dangerous for small channels? God, yes. I don't mean that shorts are evil and you should never make them. But if you're a small channel that's monetized, or you want to be able to monetize in the future, you might be shooting yourself in the foot by shifting your focus to shorts. And you really need to stop and weigh these pros and cons. The pros can be so motivating, right? The short videos are quicker to make, so you can pump them out faster than full-length videos. One short can rack up 24 hours of watch time in its first day. Average view durations over 100%, which none of your other videos have ever accomplished. This gigantic spike in views for getting on the short shelf. And none of it counts. Except maybe the subscribers. You heard me. And it's not just that you can't monetize shorts. Viewing hours from the short shelf don't count. Out of all this, 88% doesn't count. This, and this count, but out of all this, 95% of the watch time on this video of mine doesn't count. What do I mean? In order to monetize your channel, you need 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days. Watch time from shorts doesn't count. Let's say you're a small channel that's already monetized. You have 5,000 hours of watch time over the last year. So around 400 per month? This month, you spend so much time focusing on shorts that they make up half of your monthly viewing hours. That means half of your monthly viewing hours don't count. You're still above 4,000 over the last 12 months, but by 200 less. Month after month goes by and you spend some time on shorts and some time on normal videos, and suddenly you've been demonetized. You've been getting more views and watch time than ever before, but the biggest chunk of it doesn't count, and you just lost yourself a source of income. Now maybe you've diversified like I have, and you've got a Patreon where people can go get exclusive stuff. You see how slick that was? Now you're struggling to make up for all those lost viewing hours, but it's going to be harder to do than ever before because that huge dip in watch time, that's going to follow you for the entire calendar year. All that being said, for smaller channels, shorts can be a great source for gaining subscribers. But short videos can also lose you subscribers who are there for the longer, more in-depth content and are annoyed by shorts. And if down the road I decide to make fewer shorts and focus more on longer videos, there's no guarantee that any of these new subscribers will stick around because maybe they were only there for the short form content. So not only does the watch time you gain from shorts not count, and you can't monetize the shorts, but some of the subscribers you gain are going to be offset by ones that you lose. So when you're making shorts, be sure to weigh the pros and cons. And if monetization is important to you, be sure to keep an eye on your total watch time, minus what you get from shorts. That way, one morning down the line, you don't wake up to a disheartening surprise.